Good morning, everyone. My name is Mr. Leo Rodrigo Marang, together with my group mates, Almodovar Noah Cyril, Maring Paul Gabriel, Dolor Charlie, Rabino Noela Jane, and Patricia May Roman. And this is our group presentation on ITEW2 project. And first, we will going to present our project share screen. And our first presenter is Miss Noela Jane Ramin.
So before you go to the home page, you must log in first, but entering an email and password that is not yet registered will not make the login process successfully. So here you can also see that there is no data being stored also in your local storage. So we will register an account first and fill out all the fields needed. So for the email, 123 at gmail.com. And first name is Dan and last name is, for the password is 123 Jan. It will show a message saying sign up successfully after registration process. You can now choose a photo from your computer's storage or folder and choose a new profile picture. Then once done, click the Go to Profile button to go to the home page. Since it is still a new account, there are no posts, friends, and notifications yet. Now let's click the Log Out button and register more accounts. So for the email is michaelsmith456@gmail.com. The first name is Michael and last name is Smith. Then password is 456. 456 is Smith. Then we will choose a profile picture. Then log out and create another one. For the email is ellimoon789@gmail.com. For the first name is Elijah and the last name is Moon. And the password is 789 Elimoon. And we will choose a profile picture again. Since you have created accounts, you can now see in your local storage the accounts you have created as it is now being stored. It will remain in your computer even though you close the browser. So here in Elijah Moon's account, we will try to search for account John Doe and send him a friend request. Then we will open John Doe's account. to accept the friend request. So it shows here that in the friend request section, Elijah Moon sent you a friend request. By accepting it, it will now be added in your friends list and no more friend requests in the friend request section. So click the profile button to upload a new photo. Then click the home to see the photo being uploaded, and you can also post a status. Then click the home to see all your posts. Then when we click the profile again, it shows here all your status, and when you click the gallery, it shows here your photo that being uploaded. So let's try to send a friend request to Michael Smith. Then we will log out again and open Elijah Moon's account. Here it shows that she received a notification that John Doe accepted her friend request, and John Doe is also in her friend list. Then by clicking home button, you can see a friends post on your newsfeed, and you may interact with it by clicking the like button. Now we will open Michael Smith's account. It shows here that John Doe sent him a friend request. So you can click the accept button. Now, if you want to unfriend John Doe, search his name by entering John Doe in the search bar and click unfriend. So it shows here that unfriended successfully. Now we will open again for the last time John Doe's account. So here it shows that John Doe still received a notification saying Michael Smith accepted his friend request, since at first Michael Smith accepted his friend request, but since he also chose to unfriend John Doe, Michael Smith will not be added on the friend list of John Doe. So this is the flow of our website, the iPost.
Going back to the indexed HTML or the hypertext markup language, we use buttons like button home and button logout, our div together with different attributes. We also use search container for registered account. In the login forms, we have the button login and the button register. In the registration form, we use placeholders and other buttons like button gallery, button select, and we also incorporated comments for better readability of the um, in, uh, the ones who code this program. And we also have upload picture, notification list buttons, um, button for posting photo and button for canceling the uploaded photo or post. Next is select profile. We have another container for friend request and friend list. That's all about our HTML. Next is about the style, the CSS or the cascading style sheets. The main purpose of our style.css or the cascading style sheets is in order to improve the website's design and specifications of each buttons, placeholders, containers, as well as the borders, fonts, background. The colors we use are mostly white, black, and other basic colors. As you can see, we also use the hex codes. Alignments are usually in the center in order for more organization of buttons and other selectors. Next, about the readability. For better readability, we use font size that are not too big and not too small. So you can see, for example, we have here 20 pixels, 30 pixels. These fonts are not too big and not too small and makes a better readability for the users. Colors are not too complicated as well as in the fonts. We use also font families that are easily be read by the users. That's all about the cascading style sheets. Thank you.
So this is the script.js. These are all the elements we needed in our HTML file, and we make a new object which is social media object, and we use the class user. This is the first function, which is the showReg form, which displays the login form and registration form. After that, the document that ready will wait the page to successfully load before it will display the content of the page. The select home button that has a function when clicked, it will show the home page and will hide others. That is also what will happen here in select profile, select gallery, and select logout.
Now we will discuss the buttons. For button login, its function is to get the value of txt login email and txt login password. The login account is a method in user class where it passes two parameter strings. Same function for button sign up. For button go to profile, it shows the page where the user can see his or her profile, name, notifications, and friends. For button post photo, it will hide the user's profile and will only show the panel of the element insert gallery picture. Same goes for button upload photo. It will hide the home and will only show the panel of the element insert gallery picture. For button search, its function is to get the value of txt search in search friend method found in user class. Same goes for button post and cancel. In profile pic input, it is a tag where it reads file input. We use change as an event listener whenever there is a change in action. Example is selecting a file. File reader reads the user's first selected file and it will then be saved in the gallery. These functions below corresponds to different actions. The methods used here are in the user class. These functions allows the user to add, unfriend, and accept requests and react to a post of another user. That's all.
And now for the class user, we have an empty constructor and we have different properties such as array for email, array for password, array for username, array for profile pic, gallery pic, friends, friend request, post, notification, active since we set it to false because uh, you need to be logged in to be set this active to true to be online. Then account index to null, then the array friends index to null. Then we, for the first method, register data, this method registers a new account upon successful registration. Then we push the details of the new created account, such as the email of the new created account, the password, the username, the friends set to empty array, request, post, notification, profile pic, and gallery pic. Then we we clear the local storage first, because every time we create account there's a changes and needs to be, the local storage needs to be cleared so that the changes uh, will keep the change. Then clear the fields of the registration panel. Then hide hide the form of the registration. Then show the panel for the inserting of the profile picture. Then set the active to true. Then the index, set the index. Then for the second method, which is the login account, this will uh, this will log in the account of the existing uh, account of the user. Passes two parameters, which is the login email and the login password. Then we have upload profile picture method, which accepts the reader object. Then we have the post status method, which accepts a string method that posts the status upon clicking. Then display post. This will display the post after clicking the button for posting the status. Then this display all posts. This method is for displaying all the posts of the friends and the post of yourself. Then react friend method. This method is for reacting of someone's post. Then we have search friend method. This method searches for an already existing account. Then we have the add friend method, which added selected friend in the search. Then we have unfriend method using the event parameter, which is an event listener to the JavaScript. Then this method removes removes a friend from the friend list. Then we have accept friend request. This method is for accepting friend requests. Then display friends. This method is for the display of all the accepted friends. Then we have display notifications. This method is for displaying the notifications, including the friend request and uh, the post. Then we have the method for displaying friend request. This displays the sent friend request notif on the account of the user.
So I am Paul Gabriel L. Bariring, and this is our method for upload gallery picture. It has a reader parameter, then JSON.stringify this array gallery, then set attribute src uploaded gallery picture. This Display gallery picture. This will display the images that the user uploaded. We use for loops for the length of the array gallery pic, then my gallery that append child images. Display newsfeed. This displays all posts of the user and his or her friends. Display newsfeed status. This displays all of the status of the user and his or her friends. Next is display newsfeed gallery. This method displays all of the status and images that the user uploaded. Next, display profile info. This method displays the name and the profile picture of the registered user. Next, log out account. This method logouts the user's account and it changes the active status to false. Load load data. This method displays all of the data for the account of the user. It has the notifications, friend requests, posts, and all of the other data for the users. Store data. This stores all the data in the local storage. Remove list. It removes the elements inside the container. Then show menus. It show the menus, the select home, profile, gallery, and hide menu. It hides the home, select profile, and select gallery logout. Then clear fields. It clears all the fields. Thank you.
Again, this is our final project for client-side scripting, ITEW2. We have here Almodovar Noah Cyril, Baring Paul Gabriel, Dolor Charlie, Humarang Leo Adri, Rabino Noela Jane, and Miss Patricia Miron. Thank you so much and have a nice day.
Thank you po.